for joining tonight's class, and I'm so I'm so grateful to be here today. Thank you so much, guys, for all the support and all the wonderful messages. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So um, I'm excited for tonight's lesson or for tonight's session. I'm so excited for it. So I hope you're excited too, because it's gonna be amazing. And over here, I'm just trying to mark everything I see on the chart right now. So we have a resistance area here being broken. So we know that if price comes down, we would have a a demand area down here. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate you guys. As we're joining, please let's quickly click that like button so that YouTube can recommend the video to the rest of our friends. I'm looking for the. I've not even loaded the money. Okay, I'm looking for the decision point. I found it. Oh, this payout amount is 63. A lot of people must be on this chat. Probably that's why they changed it. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, cool. All right, so let's go back to M1. So thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So let's go ahead and click the like button as soon as we enter the chat so that YouTube can recommend the video to the rest of our friends. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. Yes, that's very, very. This common point of rejection. In fact, let me mark the common point of rejection itself. So we have this common point of rejection. If price comes down into this entry and touch that common point of rejection, we're going to take a trade. So thank you so much for joining, guys. Um, so let me quickly talk about the setup we're rocking quickly. So the chart type is candlesticks, and we've enabled this timer. We disabled the auto scroll thing. So and we're currently in M1 chart right now. So it simply means each candle is just 1 minute. You can see if you look at the timer here beside the candle, you can see that it always has a countdown of 60 seconds every time. So once another candle opens, it counts down 60 seconds again. That's what it means. Then down here, hey Abu, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Mojid. Thank you so much. Hope you're feeling great today. Good. So right now, the trade time is M1 and we are using the flag mode. This is regular mode and this is flag mode. So we are using the flag mode and we make sure that the second hand is on yes, I'm glad you're fine. So we're using the flag mode and the second hand is on 0. Now, this trade looks like a high probability trade. The only problem I have with this trade is that the payout amount is small. It's 63%, but I'm still going to take it because I don't know why they reduced this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I knew that was going to happen actually. But thank God you followed that advice I gave you. I knew that was going to happen. It happens to all of us, so we know. I already know. But the thing there is, any mistake you are going to make, trust me, I've made it already. You understand? But don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You understand? You're in good hands. So you don't need to worry. Oh, price touched that entry and pulled back. I was expecting to enter. Yes, enter now. Thank you. If it goes under that round, under that Yes, I'll take one more here. I'm expecting a pullback, so let's see. Okay, cool. That's break even. So wait. Okay, that's break even indeed. Now this is the reason why you don't want to trade with small um this thing payout amounts. You can see normally if that was 92, the balance would have been more than that. You understand? So that's most of the time when I see this 62, I just leave the market. Anas Sabida 4026. So sorry, I couldn't read your name properly. It's nice to have you here. Yes, I'm currently in a practice session right now. So don't be alarmed if it's on demo. It's still the same strategy I'm using to explain actually. So don't worry about the demo actually. It doesn't really matter. It's still the same strategy anyways. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. And if you're in the chat room, go ahead and send a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out. You understand? You've joined the body of plenty. We have plenty friends here, all from all over the world, and we're all here to connect. You understand? So it's nice to have you here. Just send a hi in the comment section. Don't be shy at all. You understand? This is not the place to be shy. We are here to learn from each other. So don't worry about it. Okay. Yes, and while you're at it, please go ahead and click the like button. I really appreciate that. Anytime you click the like button like that, yes, 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 Anasabida. I think the name is Anasabida. Thank you. I like that name, but I don't know what it means. Yes, exactly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anasabida. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. See, trust me, we are just here to learn from each other actually. And actually I've explained many times why I am right now I'm not trading live. You understand? The reason let me tell you the reason actually, since you already asked. Now the reason is because you see when you're on live like this in front of everybody, it's there's a level of inconvenience that comes with it. You understand? And you need a lot of concentration to be able to like take this kind of trades. So that concentration may not be there. You understand? And I'm not the type that deceive myself. You understand? I'm not used to like trading in front of everybody live like that. So it will take a little bit of getting used to over time. But I know that eventually we will be taking like real life trades like that. So it's just a matter of time for now. You get it, Jay? So for now, we will just manage it as it is, but we will still get the right education that we need. You understand? The right strategy, everything we are going to do it the way it's meant to be done. We're not going to cut any corners, okay? So don't worry about it. Oh, I think I didn't mark this market properly. Yes. Oh wow, that's good. Yeah, I've been trading for like 3 years now, 3 years plus. Yes. So you're into trading? No, you've been trading forex. I've been trading binary option. This is binary option actually. Um, um, I've not been trading forex, but forex and binary option they have this similarity. You understand? Exactly. They have this similarity, but there's a little bit of difference here and there. The paradigm is a little bit different from um from forex. So the paradigm for binary option is slightly different because let me explain. The easiest way to explain binary option to a forex trader, it's going great. We thank God. So the easiest way to explain binary option to a forex trader is binary option is just like when you are trading futures. All those futures contracts when you trade them, it's going great. We thank God. So, but the thing there is, this contracts expires. Like you can choose expiry dates. We're currently on M1 expiry right now. So any trade we take is within 1 minute. You understand? You can also choose 5 minutes. You can choose any any minute you want. Look at this. We have 30 minutes. It doesn't matter. You can set how long you want your trade to last. I feel like going with the buyers, but you know what? Let's do this. Let's combine it with let's combine it with this common point of rejection. If price comes down to this common point of rejection, we will take the trade with the buyers. You understand? We have this common point of rejection here, and I'm actually expecting to go with the buyers because we have this evening star pattern. But this is where the entry is. You see all that is round number, this 0.87350. That's where the money is. You understand? If price doesn't come there, then we're not taking the trade. Though I'm expecting the green candle, but that's where the money is. This is where the money is. So let's see. Let's see. If we had entered with the buyers, we would have lost that trade. Now we have a gap down. If we had entered, yes, would have lost that trade because of that gap down. So if price comes down to this entry now, we can go with the buyers. But we need an extra confirmation. Like we cannot just go with this. Is not enough confirmation for us to go with the buyers. Yes. Oh, you tried pocket option. Wow. Sorry, I couldn't read the full message because I want to take this trade. If it comes to that round number, I'll take one. Are you gonna give us one? Okay, it didn't. Okay, fine. It's there now. That's good. I'm expecting that pullback, so let's wait for it. Above that round number, actually. All right. Now I'll explain this trade quickly. Now you see, I was telling you that I was not going to take that trade with the buyers. And the reason why I did not want to take that trade is because number one, we are currently in downtrend, actually. That's one. But you see, I also noticed this common point of rejection, and I was expecting that if price comes back to this common point of rejection, at least that first time it comes, it's going to retrace. Also, you see down here, we have this demand area. I marked it the other time, but I didn't have enough time to mark everything. So let me just mark everything right now. You can see now, it's right on that round number. You see, you understand? So most of the time, round numbers, they act like support and resistance in the markets. All these round numbers you see here, you understand? They act like support and resistance. And anytime it happens like that, you have to be like, if you have a common point of rejection, the closest thing you can combine with it is your round number. Oh, I don't know why I'm saying this, but let's go with the buyers one more time. I'm expecting a green candle here. I could have taken it under a round number, but no problem. Yes, supply and demand. Yes, they are very good to actually trade. Actually, this is a kind of liquidity sweep. I'm expecting a green candle to happen. Now I probably should have waited for maybe another round number down here, but no problem. I think we'll still have the green candle. So, hey, NSA Premium TV, it's nice to have you here. Boss and yeah, break of structure and retest. You're correct. You're correct. So now this is a liquidity sweep. Now you can see. So that's why we're losing this trade. It's because of the liquidity sweep. They are going to sweep the market down until they get to this place. Let me show you quickly. Until they get to this place. And they may even sweep past it, but no problem. You understand? We will be fine. So let me reduce the percentage to 12.5%. I actually like to go with percentage. I don't go with an amount. I usually don't enter the market with an amount. Your candle are moving faster than mine. I don't understand. No, I think it might be the network because somebody mentioned it the other day. Sometimes it happens like that. It's a network. you get, but I'm on M1. You yourself can see that I'm on M1. So if I'm on 1 minute, sometimes the affects the. Hey, Gemworld, it's nice to have you here. Everybody is in the house. You understand? So don't mind me if I try to recognize. Thank you so much, Gemworld. I hope you're feeling great today. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Gemworld is one of the OGs of this channel. You understand? We have a lot of OGs now. Now there are plenty. So anytime they show, I have to recognize them, especially. Yes. Hey tribe, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. AUDUSD. Is it the OTC one or the real market? AUDUSD. Let me see. Is it close? It's not close right now. Hey Esther, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you, Esther. It's nice to have you here. Guys, if you are new to the channel, or even if you are not new, if you've not if you've not sent any comments since, go ahead and send a hi in the comment section. Let me give a shout out. Hey Michael, it's nice to have you here. Abuza. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So just send a hi in the comment section. Let's hail you a little bit. You deserve it. Let's see the balance. The balance is up there. You can see it's right there. So it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Tribe, Michael. Oh, from SA. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. What's the difference between real and OTC and synthetic? Um, sorry, I couldn't. NSA, I couldn't read your last message. Please resend it or send a dot so that I can read it quickly. Um, so you were asking for difference between OTC and real markets. The traditional market usually they don't open on weekends. Or let me see if they're okay. They are not open right now. You understand? So traditional markets don't open on weekends. You can see they are grayed out right now. Now I don't know about synthetic because pocket option they usually don't use synthetic. I've not seen them use any synthetic charts. Okay. Hey Jesse, please. It's nice to have you here. See the green retracement. I can see that retracement. Yes, on the this morning star pattern. I can see it. Sometimes when you are trying to do one thing, the other one, you see, that's the reason why I didn't want to. I usually don't trade real market in front of everybody because there's a lot of distraction. You're trying to like hail your people, make sure that everybody is comfortable. At the same time, take trades. It's very, very cumbersome sometimes. So, yeah, it's because it's demo. That's why it's written demo. Yes, I'm using the demo to explain the class. Okay, let me keep an eye on this market. Wait, let's keep an eye on this market and let's check another chart that we've not. Yes, it is. Okay, no, the upper and one close trend line. Okay, oh, let me see what you're talking about. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, there's a trade opportunity here. Let's see if the trade opportunity will work. We have another block here, and we're currently in the fair value gap. You understand? Let's see if this other block will make sense. Yes, let's check it quickly. I don't have time to mark everything right now, but let me just check this other block. Guys, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. One thing I will ask quickly is that you click the subscribe button and please click the like button also. Jizzy, please. Is this space beginner friendly? Yes, don't worry, it's beginner friendly. I have something for all the beginners. If you can just stick around for the next maybe 5 minutes, I'll tell you what all the beginners should do. Okay, give me 5 minutes. Stick around. Don't worry, just stick around for 5 minutes. I'll show you what all the beginners. I have something for all the beginners. Okay, fine. I've taken one trade here. If it goes up again, I'll take one more right here. I'm expecting a pullback. Okay, cool. I'm expecting a pullback. Let's have the pullback. I'm expecting a pullback from here. So let's see. So let me mark everything I want to mark quickly. This push to the upside is crazy. I wasn't expecting to be this aggressive. Oh, sorry, I've been missing some messages. Yeah, no, don't worry, Jesse, please. I've got you covered, okay? I've got you covered. Okay, you know what? Let me mark this one instead. I thought the one here would work, but they just ran past through it, and I don't understand why. But we can go with the sellers now. Yes, let's go with the sellers. If it goes up, I'll take one more. I'm expecting a red candle here now. Though the push to the upside was crazy, but sometimes when market pushes like that, um, okay, the main order block is always key. Yes, exactly, exactly. Actually, this particular fair value gap broke this demand area, so I was expecting that other block, the other block preceding it, to be the main one. But so you see, sometimes market just behaves like as if it knows of my. You did great, yes. I know. I went with the sellers. I went with the sellers. So we have a supply area here. That's why I went with the sellers. I'll show you now. So you see, there was an entry inside here, but the price just blew past it, and we lost the trade here. But right now, price came back into a supply area. You understand? So I knew that we would have that retracement because the sellers were already pulling back from that candle. Ray one, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Yes, it's gonna retest. We have a lot of specialists in the house today. That's good. I'm so glad. I'm so glad a lot of people are following now. This is so nice. This is very nice. Yes, would indicate the main order block. Yes. Guila Modi Dike. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce that name. I couldn't pronounce. I'm so sorry if I butchered that name. Sorry. I hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, the face. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every one of you. Guys, please go ahead and click the like button. Please, I want us to collectively push that like counter up on our own. You understand? So let's do it collectively, okay? Sorry, I missed that. Renok, I missed that last message. Please resend it. Let me read your message quickly. Okay, quick. Good. Do you trade with indicators? No, I don't. DB animation. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. If you are yet to, if I've not given you a shout out, send a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out, okay? Yes, go ahead. Send your shout out. Send your just send a hi. I'll give you a shout out quickly. Yes, Kitty Bite. Thank you so much. ASMR. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. We have a common point of rejection here. We can take a trade right now. If price comes to this common point of rejection, we will not hesitate. We'll take the trade. We will take this trade. It will be a very, very good trade. But you see, to increase our probability of winning the trade, okay, fine, fine. We have a supply there. We will be fine. Let me mark the supply too. Oh, a lot of messages are coming in. Olu Ebube John. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Your first time. Wow. Thank you so much for joining, John. I really appreciate. You see, after this one now, I'm going to address all the beginners in the house. You understand? Hey, reaction duty. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. We're almost there. We're almost there. Almost, almost, almost. I have this fear of missing out on this, so I'm expecting a pullback. Thank you. Yes, I had this fear of missing out on that trade, so I had to quickly take it. But that's not a good thing. Dyke, it's nice to have you here. Sorry, I missed that message before Dyke. Okay, good. Yes, it's nice to have you here. I can try common point of rejection. Okay, I'll tell you, don't worry. Uh life and okay, life and legacy. It's nice to have you here. Yes, so let me quickly address all the beginners. Then Abu, I'll address your concern quickly. Okay. TSIGE Braha Abraha. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry if I butchered that name. I could, there are sometimes the way some of these spellings are, I don't understand. Yeah, I couldn't just read it, but I'm talking about you. So thank you so much for joining. Yeah, Peter, Ikenwe Azu 5368. Thank you so much for joining. We have a lot of first timers. So let me quickly address all the first timers quickly. Now, this is what we need to do. Okay. Let me read. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you for understanding. I really appreciate. Thank you. Now, let me address all the first timers quickly. See, the first thing you need to do, the first thing you need to do, go ahead, smash that like button, click that subscribe button right now. Like as we are talking, as we dey hot. You understand? Yes, as they hot now. Yes, go ahead and hit subscribe to the channel right now. MTUMSHI. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce that name, but thank you so much. I'm talking about you, so thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you so much for joining. Oh, I think I pressed something here. Let me remove it. So thank you so much for joining. Now to all the first timers in the house, let's have a real talk. You see, after subscribing, the first thing you need to do, if you don't have, okay, let me check that quickly. Hey, Salito Tech, thank you so much. MTUMC. I'm so sorry for that. I couldn't read like that name, but thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So for all the beginners in the house, if you don't have an account, first thing you need to do, see, if you check the description of this video, you understand there are some links there. The first link I want to draw your attention to is the broker link. That's the link for the platform we are currently using. So if you are interested in this, Enoch, yes. I posted the video. Thank you for pointing that out quickly. So don't worry, I'll tell you. So the first thing you need to do is to get an account, and to get an account, click the broker link in the description. It will take you to the platform. Register for a free. It's free, guys. It's free. It's free. I'm saying it's free right now. Don't let anybody deceive you. Try to bring money. No, it's free. You understand? So go ahead, get a free account. They are going to give you a free demo account that you use to practice. Now, the next thing you need to do, you need to come back to this YouTube channel, and in the playlist section, I have a playlist called binary option for beginners. Now, also this evening, right before this video, I posted it in my the post section. I posted it so that everybody will see it. So if you are subscribed, you will be able to see it. You understand? If you subscribe to the channel right now, you'll be able to see that link, because I posted it in the post section of the channel. So if you check the post section, you see it. If you check the playlist section, you will see it also. Jacob, thank you so much for joining. Adeolu Oladapo, thank you so much for joining. Yes, Olu Ebubejon. Yes, I remember you. Thank you so much for joining. No, this binary options trading. It's not forex. It's binary options trading. So once you get that playlist, the binary option for beginners, watch all the videos inside that this thing. It's binary option. You understand? So watch all the videos inside that playlist. Now, the reason why I said that I put that playlist together for all the beginners, so that you can have the foundational knowledge. You understand? You see, in on things like this, knowledge is very powerful. Is it indie for James? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Jesse, please. Okay. I'm not actually into forex. I'm more into crypto than forex, actually. You understand? So I'm not really into forex like that. But don't worry, very soon we'll join you guys in forex. You understand? But right now we're focusing on binary options trading. Maybe I'll create another channel when I start the forex thing. So Vintech, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. MTUMI, does this site offer over under market? I don't understand what you mean by over under market. You understand? Maybe you can expatiate on that later. So the thing is, for all the beginners, you need that foundational knowledge. Now, please don't skip steps when those keep all these steps, I'm telling you, after registering, come back and get knowledge first. You understand? Now you see that demo account they give you, use to practice. If you need more resources to practice, I have my practice section in the YouTube channel. Then now let me address all the gurus in the house, and all the seasoned traders in the house. Now, if you want to watch my live trade, like the real my real sessions, you understand? If you're interested in those, I have a playlist called Live Trade Sessions. Tribe. Okay, you're into forex. That's good. Yes, a lot of people try gold nowadays. It's very good. So for all the seasoned traders in the house, you understand? I have okay, the link. Yeah, are you talking about the link? No, don't worry. I will go back. We'll get back into the chat right now. Don't worry. We'll get back. Let me just address everybody quickly. Then we'll go back into the chats. You understand? So the thing there is, for all the season traders, I have a playlist called Live Trade Session. It's a playlist. I have about 100 videos inside that playlist. Watch all the playlists. Now I also posted this playlist in the post section of the channel. You understand? In the community section, I posted it there. So if you don't want to start looking for it around, just go to the community section. You see it there. You understand? So I have the banner option for beginners, and I have the live trade sessions. You can watch anyone you want, or just go to the playlist section and pick any playlists. All of them are educational. You understand? I explain the details, all the strategies I'm using here. I've explained it in details there. You understand? Now, there's one more people I want to address. If you are the type that wants a one-on-one session, hey Paul NX, it's nice to have you here. No, it's not an app actually. It's a platform called Banner Option, a Pocket Option. I mean, the link to the platform is in the description below. It is you'll see the broker link. It's the broker we are using currently. So if you click the broker link, it will take you straight to the platform. You understand? Then you can register for an account, then come back here for all the resources, all the beginner resources and every other thing. Okay. So basically that's how it is. Now, there's one more person I want to address. Hey Victor, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So there's one more person I want to address, and that is all the now if you are the one that like you want me to teach you one-on-one. You understand? You want a one-on-one mentorship. Hey, citizen, it's nice to have you. Tunde, thank you so much for joining. Anyolade, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys coming. So the thing there is, there's a link in the description below. It's the Telegram channel link. Join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? If you want a one-on-one mentorship with me, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. That's where I teach my students, like my own personal students. You understand? I teach them one-on-one. You understand? I break all the steps down. You understand? I take them one on one. You understand? Sorry, I couldn't read your message, citizen, but I'll read it later. No problem. You understand? So you can just send me another message, like the same message. Send it again so that I can read it. So the thing there is, so that's why I teach my students one on one. You understand? I break it down. I hold their hand. I'll put you through step by step. You understand? That is where I teach them. Now, it is not free, it is a paid service. I need to say it ahead of time. Now, concerning pricing and availability and every other thing, send me a message on Telegram. So you understand, the Telegram channel link is in the description below. Click that Telegram channel link, and when you get to Telegram, just send me a message. If you want to send me a message, click that tag, that Barter-Pro at Barter-Pro mentorship tag. Zurich X Wave, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So just click that tag. It will bring you to my chat room. Then you and I can actually discuss about your mentorship. So it's a paid service. I need to say it one more time. You understand? This is the free version, and that one is the premium. You understand? So now the thing there is, you see this free version, I didn't hold anything back. You understand? But I know that there's some people that just want this one-on-one coaching. They need that mentorship. You understand? So those are the ones I treat personally. You understand? But if you check through all my videos, I didn't hold anything back. So Just by watching these videos, you can get a lot of value. There's so much value on this channel. Michael, thank you so much for coming. Yes, yes. So if you want me to teach you personally, click that Telegram channel link and send me a message. You understand? And we'll get talking about it. So thank you so much for doing that. Let's get back to the chat quickly. Okay. Yes. Where can I meet? Yes, we can meet on Telegram. Just there's a Telegram channel link in the description below. Just click on it and send me a message. Okay, Michael. Yeah, send me a message on Telegram. Okay, cool. Let's quickly get back to the chats. We missed a lot of opportunity. I know. I know all the gurus in the house will be like, oh my god, we're missing a lot of okay, let me explain common point of rejection. Abu will chew my head if I don't if I don't explain it. Okay, this is what you mean by common point of rejection. You see, anytime you have an area in the market where price keeps rejecting, you can draw a trend line and cut across all the common point of rejections. You know, look at this. Let me mark this one now, since we have another one here. Look at this. So this trend, if you consider this trend line now, look at it. We have rejection, 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 rejection. Price keep rejection, they keep rejecting on that trajectory like that. So if price comes back one more time, you can still take a trade based on that common point of rejection. Now another one is happening down here. Look at this. Now you see what makes this one interesting. I'll tell you. We're going to take another trade here. I'll tell you now why this one is interesting. This one is interesting because we have a doji and the market is ranging. You know, I told you the other time that dojis work best in ranging markets. Can't find any link. Okay, don't worry. You know what? The click the previous video before this live. You understand? The last video before this live, click on it. You see the link in the comment section. I pinned it there in the comment section already. This is 1 minute time frame. So you can see now we have ranging market here and we have a doji. Now, dojis work best in ranging markets. Also, common point of rejection, they work very good in ranging markets. Yes, click on any other video, like you know the if you check the live section on this channel, click any of the videos and you will see it in the comment section. I pinned it. Hey Ryan Berry, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So I've linked all the links I'm talking about. They're in the what they call it. They're in the comment section. You know, not this particular comment section, but in the we almost missed that trade. It's not easy to explain and talk and take a trade, but don't worry, I'm still waiting for this trade. When trade comes here, I'll take a common point of rejection trade. I'll show you. So just click any of the videos on the channel. You'll see inside the description and in the comment section, you'll see the links I'm talking about there. The broker link is there. The Telegram channel link is there too. I don't know why you didn't see it here because usually it's very, very easy. Or you know what? Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'll take a rejection trade above this round number. Though it's risky, but I'll take it. Oh, it's pulling back. I was expecting it to come here before taking it. The time frame is 1 minute. The time frame we are trading is 1 minute. This round number is going to be a very good area of common point of rejection, but price is not coming there. Let me put a trend line there so that you see what I'm saying. See, this is another common point of rejection. Oh, if we had drawn the common point of rejection, we would have taken that trade. Okay, now let's go with the buyers. Okay. Yes, I trade candlesticks. I'm expecting a pull to the upside. So let's wait for that quickly. I'm expecting a push to the upside. Okay, and we also now there's another reason why we should win this trade. The probability of us winning this trade is high now because there's a demand area here. There's a demand area here. I'm expecting a pull to the upside from this demand area. So let's see. Okay, they didn't respect it fully. They pulled back, but the sellers decided that no, we are going we are going down. No problem. Let's see. Maybe they will still pull back again. If I had taken it, okay, fine, that's good. They pulled back. That's good. I was expecting them to pull back, but that second push to the downside, I was wondering what's happening. Okay, cool. Let me take a message. Yes, yes. Yes, you want us to wait for the doji. Now, oh, I should have gone with the sellers, but no, I shouldn't go with the sellers. Now, I explained a particular strategy in the afternoon session. Well, for anybody who does not know, we usually have two sessions during the day. You understand? We have a day session, then this is the evening session right now. Now, in the during the day session, I was explaining something about oops. I was explaining something about Divine. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. So now I was explaining something called the doji disrespect strategy. See, when you have a doji, I was explaining that we have a doji here in a ranging market. Dojis work best in ranging market, but anytime a doji does not work like this, you understand? And normally, when you break a doji range, let me mark the doji range so that you can see it. This is the doji range. It's easier for me if I mark for you if I mark it so that you can see it. You see this area? This is doji, and these are the range of the doji. You hit the trade perfect. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate Divine. Thank you. Uh sorry, there's a message that came before Divine. Please resend your message. I couldn't read it. Thank you so much. So now look at this. This is the doji range. This is the upper boundary of the doji and the lower boundary of the doji. Now, we may not see the doji again, but it still takes effect actually. Now look at this. Anytime price breaks the doji range, this red candle right now is breaking this doji range. You should expect a green candle. And also look at this. We have a demand area down here. Demand area is where you have seller buyers. So immediately I took this trade, I was expecting price to go back up and give us a green candle, but it didn't happen. But you can see because we took the trade, yeah, it's still going to buy. But if it comes up here, we'll go with the sellers again, especially on this round number. There are some sellers here. They've not sold anything yet, so we can take advantage of the doji break and go with the sellers. You understand? It's going to be a winning trade. So the thing there is, now that the doji has been disrespected and did not give us red candle, you can go with the sellers for one more candle. That's exactly what's happening here. Look at this one. But because we have some buyers here, those buyers will not agree. They push the price up, but they still give us a red candle. Now I think those buyers now are exhausted. You can see the sellers are really taking over the market right now. So they're going to give us a liquidity sweep until, let me show you what will happen until they get here. Over here now we have a QM down here. Yes. So look at this now. We have a QM down here. Now I'm not going to trade this QM. I'm not going to trade it because it's a late retest QM. But let's check it quickly. Let's go to a higher time frame. If we have an engulf, then that QM is potent. It's powerful. If there's no engulf, you can see there's no engulf here. Let me check it M10 just for checking sake. No engulf, you understand? So that tells you that this engulf, this QM is not valid. So we don't even need to bother about it. But the fact that it's not valid does not mean it may not react. You get the gist. It may still react. Sorry, I couldn't read that message. What's QM? Okay, you know what? Let's not. Oh, this is a gap down in favor of the buyers. Okay. Now the thing there is, if you want to know about QM, there's a playlist in the. I'll explain briefly, but you won't get the full gist right now. But there's a playlist called live trade session on the channel I have some extensive explanation, like from beginning to the end. I've explained what a QM is. So if you are really so much interested in actually learn, because QM is very powerful if you understand it. So I have a QM I have a QM play I have a playlist. It's live trade sessions. Watch all the videos. See, I have I have more than 20 QM explanations. More than at least maybe like 30 or so. You understand? QM explanation inside that playlist. So go ahead and watch. Knock yourself out. You'll be fine. Trust me. If you need the knowledge, you are here to get it. I'm ready to give it to you. You understand? There's something I want to check quickly. I want to show you. Now, no, we cannot. Okay, is this okay? Okay, okay, fine. Now we have something here. I wanted to show you how to. I wanted to show you how to check the playlist, but YouTube will not allow me right now. So let me quickly check something. Hey, Divine, it's nice to have you here. You were saying something I told you. Are you talking to somebody else? Now I'm going to take a trade when price enters into this entry, but I'm going to wait for price to enter inside this round number, this 2.04 thousand. Oh, okay, I understand now. Thank you. We have a price is entering into this price is entering into this, what they call it, supply area. Oh, fine. Let's go with the sellers quickly. I'll tell you why I'm in a hurry to enter with the sellers. Yes, I'll tell you. I tried a new tab. Oh, sorry, I don't understand what you mean by new tab. That's retracement. Yes, it's a retracement. Now, the thing there is, you see, we have supply up here, but the reason why I entered with the sellers immediately is because of this candle. You see this green candle? This green candle is called a Marabuzu candle. Anytime you have a Marabuzu candle, it's a sign of reversal. You understand? And it doesn't always happen like that, it reverses. But you see, in this kind of case, the probability of it reversing is high, and I'll tell you why. We're already in a supply area where the sellers are already, and we're expecting a reversal by the sellers. And look at this, we have a gap up. You can see now, we have a gap up. So you can see now, we have a gap up. You understand? You see, this gap up is in favor of the sellers. So you can imagine that we're expecting the sellers to come. Now, we now have a gap up in favor of the sellers, and we are in a sellers area. So you understand what I'm saying now? This is the reason why I was in a hurry to go with the sellers. Immediately price enters this area now, this zone, I'm going with the sellers again for one. You understand? Okay, they're already retracing. I was expecting them to come here before retracing. You see this round number, you know, I told you round number acts like support and resistance. In this case, it's going to be acting like a resistance. So if it goes above that round number, I'm taking the trade. Now it may not get there, but you know, if it doesn't get there, no problem. If I had taken the trade at the entry, I would have won too, but this is the best place to take the trade. You understand what I'm saying now? This is how you win your trades. This is how we take the trades. Premium TV, you're very funny. So now, one thing I want to quickly do is go into the lower time frame. Oh, no wonder it's working. It's because of this doji in S30. See, anytime you have an entry and it's a doji, you understand, it's a very sure shot that the price is going to work. Oh yeah, now, oh, they've touched the round number. I missed that. Okay, fine, cool. I'll take one more here. I'm expecting a pullback. Sorry, I missed that. What they call it? Okay, I'm expecting a pullback. This is too close for comfort. Don't jump up, please. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I knew it would jump, but no problem. Now, I'm not going to go with the sellers again. Why? I'll tell you. But you see, we still have one more trick up our sleeve. And that's the common point of rejection. We can take a trade if we have a round number above it. You see this round number here? If price comes there, we'll take a trade with the sellers. You understand? Because now we're back inside that doji range. You see, remember that doji candle I spoke about? We're back in the range now. You see, if price breaks this level, we can go with the buyers. Yes, we can go with the buyers, especially if we have more reasons like to combine. So let's look for more reasons quickly. Let me remove this one. Then we'll add one rectangle. I'll show you. I found something, but you see, it's not a fresh. There's a supply area here, but it's not a fresh set. Immediately it gets out of that common point of rejection, I'll go with the sellers. Then if it goes above, oh come on now, give us a good entry. Why is it retracing yet? Yes, let's take one here. Then I will take another one above this round number if it comes there. Please don't jump. These buyers are very aggressive. I'm expecting the sellers to be more aggressive actually. We have a round number on that doji range where that doji is here. So I'm going to take a trade with the sellers. Though the buyers they keep adding more to themselves, but I'm expecting a pullback. If that pullback should happen, that's nice. Okay, fine. We have another gap up again. I'm still targeting this round number. Sorry, I missed that message. Please resend it so that I can read it. Okay, we can go with the sellers now. Oh, this entry is too bad. Now let me tell you why I'm in a hurry to go with the sellers, because I found something. I found a reason to go with the sellers actually. I didn't see it before, but now I found it. Now you see, there's this theory. It's a theory. It's not a strategy. You understand? So I normally use it as confirmation most of the time. You see, there's this theory called fifth candle theory. If it gives me a proper entry, I'll take the trade now. I'm expecting a red candle. So the thing there is, the fifth candle theory states that when you have a set of candles going in either in a trend or, oh come on now, give us that red candle. Thank you. That's what we expect. Now, okay, let me explain this last trade I took right now. Let me explain it. There's a theory called, oh tribe, oh your message was retracted. Why? Hey, hi, Molinda. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Guys, I want to beg you for something. You understand? If you are yet to click that subscribe button, do that right now. Do that now, no, 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 no. Do it right away. Don't waste time. Just do it. There's so much value. Oh, Azik, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, Molindua. Okay, it's Molindua. Thank you so much for joining. What country is that, Molindua? I don't think I've seen that name before. Thank you so much for joining. Now, if you are yet to click the subscribe button, please go ahead. Click it right away. Excuse me. Okay, cool. Sorry. So go ahead, click the subscribe button. There's so much value on this channel. You understand? I'm here. I intentionally came here to help you. You understand? Chinedu, it's nice to have you here. Oh, Uganda, that's good. That's good. Thank you so much for joining from Uganda. Yes, I knew that name was, please trade notes. He's good. I can see you've been doing this stuff for too long. uh, yes, tribe, I couldn't read your message. Please resend it. You're very funny. That remark was very funny. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Now, there's this theory called the fifth candle theory. What is the fifth candle states that when you have a set of candles going after each other like that, most of the time, the fifth candle is usually a divergent. What it means basically is that when you have maybe a trend or a hey, it's nice to have you here, Divine from Ghana. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, Marabuzu, you were talking about Marabuzu candle, yes. You understand? So when you have oh, I could have gone with the sellers too. Oh, I could have. This is beautiful trade. This is a beautiful. If price come up here, I'm going with sellers again. This is I didn't see that time. Okay, is it going to give us an entry? Fine, thank you. That's a beautiful entry. We're going to have a red candle. So anytime you have like candles going in successions like that, you understand. The fifth candle is usually a divergence. It means it's going to give you an opposite candle. So if you have red, like four reds, You are most likely to have the fifth one as a green. If you have fifth four greens, you are most likely going to have the fifth one as red. You understand? Oh, please don't jump. Thank you. That's good. That was a very good trade. You understand? And we almost lost it, but it's a very good trade. Now, the reason why I took this trade, let me some of you already know, but let me explain for those who don't know. You understand? You see this pattern, this red green green pattern. Let me mark it for you. It's called a morning star pattern. I know a lot. Some people call it shooting star. You understand? I call it morning star pattern. This, let me mark it. I would give it a very nice color so that I can see clearly. You understand? This red green green pattern. You can see it now. It's a morning star pattern. Now, anytime you have morning star pattern, it's most likely going to, like, the next candle after it is most likely to be red. Yes. Now, but that's not the only reason why we took the trade. You understand? Another reason why we took the trade is because you see, we're in a doji. You remember we are still in a doji range. You understand? This range is a doji. Where is it? Oh, sorry. We're still in a doji range. This is doji range. Now let's go back here now and see what's happening. Now we have morning star pattern. That's first reason. Second reason is that we have a doji break. Remember I told you that if we break this doji, we're going to have a red candle. You remember I told you. But now something happened. We have a gap up. That gap up is in the favor of the sellers. It is the sellers that should give us that red candle. Remember. So that's why I went with the sellers here. You understand? But we're really, let me say, we're a little bit lucky that I'm looking at this market. Yeah, thank you so much. So now the thing there is, over here right now, we have a doji break. Now we now have a gap up. You see, that gap up is not just ordinary gap up. We have that gap up on a round number. You see this round number. I told you the other time that round numbers, they act like S and R's, like support and resistance. Anytime price comes close or crosses a round number, that round number has an effect on the market. You understand? So because of this round number, you are very funny. So because of this round number now, you are making me laugh. Don't make me laugh too much. so um so because of this round number now, we have a gap up on the round number. We can go with the sellers. Normally we should have a red candle, but I guess the buyers, they are already very strong. That's why they decide that no, they are going to give us a green candle. But we still won because we took the trade with margin of safety. Your margin of safety is when you don't take the trade immediately. You wait it to pull back a little bit, then you take the trade in anticipation that it's actually going to pull back. You understand? So that's the gist behind most of these trades that we take. Now, let me now tell you one thing. You see, all the strategies, I've explained it in details in my videos. They are on the channel right now, scattered all over the channel. Like, I'm telling you the truth. They are there for you to go and watch those videos. You see, that live trade session playlist, don't play with it. Go and watch it. All the videos there. If you are really, really serious about learning. Now, I know some of you, you prefer that one-on-one connection. You want me to mentor you one-on-one. No problem. That's why I'm here for you. You understand? There's a Telegram channel link in the description. Click on it. When you get to Telegram channel, send me a message. You understand? Let me know you want to learn. You know, it's as simple as that. I'll give you all the details. It's not free, it is paid. I'll tell you the price and I'll tell you what it's going to take. It's as simple as that, basically. Hey, Miss Cherry, it's nice. Miss Cherry Coco, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. You understand? I hope you're feeling great today. Kings, hey, Claysley, it's nice to have you here. Yes, yes, the bread and butter gang. Oh my god, you guys are so funny. Thank you so much for joining. Now, if you are yet to click the subscribe button, go ahead and click it right now. You understand? As they hot, click the subscribe button. Sorry, I missed your message. That last message that came in, I missed it. So please resend it. So this is how you take your trades. You cannot afford to take any random trades because all the rules are there for you to learn and understand the market and take good trades. And you can do it. Don't let anybody tell you that you cannot do it. You understand? Don't give your money to any what they call them, any is it copy trade channel or signal channel? Please don't do that. You can learn this. You can do it. You can do it on your own. Do it. You'll be fine. Learn all these things. You understand? I put all these resources for you to learn it. You get it just now. There's one more thing I want to say. I've not said this since. If you are here right now and you are gaining a lot of value from these sessions, go ahead and support this channel. You understand? There are several ways to support the channel right now. You can be one of our channel members. You understand? Like there's one of us today now is already a channel member. You can be one of our channel members. You can make use of the super thanks. You can make just to say thank you. You understand? You can make use of super thanks. You can make use of super chats. You can make use of the super stickers. You understand? Now, if you want to know which one it is, you see when you're about to type a comment on the right hand side, that's where the super. I think the super chat is. You understand? Just you can just say thank you. You understand? It doesn't matter, and it's very very flexible, and it's not cumbersome and it's not intrusive. You understand? Just say thank you. If you really want to feel like being awesome, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I hope you understand. So let's look for another very good trade. You understand? The buyers are going up right now. I can't take any trade here. We're currently in a supply area. I've not marked it fully. We're currently in a supply area. I've not finished marking it. Okay. This is supply area. Let me mark it. So we may have the sellers coming now. Especially if we have a gap up. Let me see. If we have a gap up, we can go with the sellers. Okay, the sellers are beginning to no gap ups. But you see, there's still one more trick in the bag concerning these markets. We can take another common point of rejection because we're still inside a seller's area. This is a supply zone. You understand? So we can still take advantage of the sellers if price comes to this round number. There's a round number above here. If price comes there, we'll take a trade with the sellers. You understand? Yes, they are called gaps. Those gaps, the like gap up is in favor of the buyers. Gap up is in favor of the sellers. Gap down is in favor of the buyers. Okay, so that's when it comes to gaps. Those are the two things you need to know. We're making another range right now. Let me remove some of these markers because we don't need them again. And let's put two markers here. Let's mark it. Oh, not this one. Let me remove this too. I need okay, these two. So now we have another range. We have another doji range here. You understand? So if price comes above this round number, we can go with the sellers. I'm expecting a pullback from there. Let's go back with 12.5%. 12.5. Those sellers are still there. They are showing themselves. This is where the entry is. So above that round number, let's just wait for it. I'm expecting a pullback immediately price enters. So let's wait. If it doesn't happen, we're not going to do anything. So if we have to wait forever, we'll wait forever until price comes here. You understand? We will not do anything until the price can come down, no problem. We'll just abort the trade. But as long as we're here and we're waiting for this entry, we will wait forever until it happens. That's how you take your trades, guys. You understand? Don't say because we've been waiting for too long, you now decide to take random trades. We will not take random trades here. You understand? We are very disciplined traders. We are very disciplined traders. So we will hold on until that happens. We can take a trade under this round number 2. But you see, the probability is low. I'll reduce the amounts. Oh, okay. I missed that entry. The entry is down here. Yes, it's here. So I'm expecting a pull to the upside. Let's see if it happens. Okay, cool. Please hold the poll, hold the poll, hold it up. Thank you. Come on now. What are you doing? Sometimes the market likes to just play with your emotions. The market just like to play with somebody's emotions sometimes. But that was a very good trade, actually. That was a beautiful trade. How many trades have we taken now? We've taken plenty of trades. Oh, okay. Now you see, let me now tell you something. Okay. I was about saying, is the comment section working? Yeah, the sellers are in control. They may push to the price down. We just left a seller's area, the supply area. So they may push the price down, but I don't even want to find out right now. I'll just hold on. Now the thing is, I was gonna say something quickly. You see, anytime you've made some money, like it doesn't have to be plenty or substantial, but once you've made some money in the market, it is time to leave. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Yes, please don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. I have to say this 1,000 times. You know why? Some of you lost your balance because you were greedy. It's not because you don't understand these strategies. You understand? It's not because you don't get the strategy. Yeah, it might be a fake out, yes. Now, so it's not because you don't you're not good at it at reading the market. It's simply because you've made some money, but got greedy. You've gotten to 200, but now you want to get to 300. You got to 300, but now you want to get to 400. You understand? You see, contentment is very, very important when it comes. A trader is always disciplined. We've taken I think, more than 8 trades or thereabouts. Normally, if I was in the, yes, sellers are ready to go. Okay, good. We're still making higher highs if you look at the markets, and we're making these dojis. So these dojis can, now if we have a double doji break, we can still go with the sellers, and if we have a double doji break to the downside, we can still go with the buyers. The market is still ranging, so let's just wait for it. This doji candle is a sign that the market is still ranging. Okay, beginners live trading session. Bucket. Sorry, I couldn't read everything. Enoch, your message keeps retracting, and I don't know why. The message got retracted just now, and I don't know why. But no worries. I'll check why it's being retracted. So as I was saying, please and please don't be greedy. Oh, Asom, Derek, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much, Derek. Thank you so much for joining. Now, guys, if you are here to click the subscribe button, please go ahead and click subscribe button. And if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, hey Jesse, please. Oh no, you didn't miss too much. Don't worry. So the thing there is, yes, you're welcome. So the thing there is, if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the Telegram channel in the description below. Live trade session, practice. Yes, exactly. Yes, you're very correct. So the thing there is, go ahead, click the Telegram channel link in the description below. You understand? And send me a message on Telegram. Now, if you want to send me a message on Telegram, K72, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's also see now. Now the thing there is, a lot of people have this misconception. Oh, we can go with the sellers now. Sorry, I let me go one more. Oh, come on, I missed that entry. This was the entry I was targeting. I missed the entry. If it comes up again, I'm going with sellers. Yes, I'm expecting a red candle right now. Uh, okay, which one do I recommend? Now, you see, for a beginner, the playlist I recommend for the beginners is Binary Option for Beginners. That's the first one I recommend. Now, you see, after you're done with that playlist, go the live trade sessions. That should be the next one. That's where I have all my live trades. You understand? Yes. So I recommend those ones. Come on now. What's wrong with these buyers? we're expecting a red candle, and they just keep pushing as if there's no tomorrow. Ah, now, guys, you can see the amount of seriousness. You can see the amount of seriousness I put into just the demo account. You understand? Now, I can't just I could have just said no, it's just demo. We should just take random trade. No, see the way you treat yourself, like the way you the same determination with which you train yourself in the demo account is the same determination you are going to use in your life trades. So you need to be serious about this. Take it seriously. You understand? You need to take it seriously. You need to, with all diligence. You understand? You need to get to the point whereby you are almost obsessed with the market. You get the gist. Yes, that's how I explain things. You see, the same way I break everything down for you now is the same way I break everything down for my students. We have a price channel here. I just saw it now, so now we're trading. We're going to trade it according to the price channel and this doji range. You understand? So so take it seriously, guys. You understand? Learn all the strategies, learn all the concepts. You understand? You need it first before you start trading the real market. So as beginners, because I know some of you here are beginners, take your education seriously first before you enter the market for real. Yes, you guys will be fine, but don't jump into the markets anyhow. You get the gist. You can lose your balance, and the feeling is not good. So I don't want to lose your balance. I want you to have the best education first. Then you can now enter the markets. You understand, with small amounts, and begin to build yourself up as a trader you should be. You understand? So if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, you understand, click the link in the description, the Telegram channel link. ASJ 2088. Yes, you need to learn more. Exactly. You're very correct. Yes, you need to learn more. You understand? And all the tools you need to learn more, they are on this channel right now. Now, if you are the type that want a one-on-one mentorship, click the Telegram channel link in the description below and send me a message on Telegram. You understand? And I personally would take you, I will train you. Like I said, it's not free, it's a paid service. You understand? It's a paid service. Now, one thing I'm sure of is that any amount you spend is going to be worth it in the long run. It's going to save you time, it's going to save you headache, it's going to save you money. You understand? I've had a lot of people, some people have lost over $10,000. My mentorship is not up to $10,000. It's not even up to $1,000. You understand? So I intentionally made it cheap so that at least almost everybody will have access to. Like there will not be excuse. There will not be any excuse that it's too expensive. You understand? So when you come to the Telegram channel and send me a message, I'm gonna give you the pricing. I'm gonna give you all the schedules and everything how it's gonna be. Now to all the yes. Now to all the seasoned traders in the house, I do consulting for seasoned traders also. So if there's a particular explanation about a particular strategy you need, you understand, or maybe you just have some general questions. You understand? Azik, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. So, in what time session is good for trade, like network session? Any session is okay. Don't worry about all these people that say okay, there's a particular time that is good. So I'm telling you, the best session are the sessions where you see your setups. You understand? If you like me now, you can see if I don't see any setup, okay, we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. If price comes here now, I'm going with the sellers. If price come up here now, I'm going with the sellers. Oh, I could have taken the trade with sellers. Okay, fine. Wait, let it go up a little bit. I'm waiting for it to get here. This is where the money is. This is where the money is. Though it jumped on a round number, we could go with the sellers. But you see, at this place right now is where the money is. If it comes up here, we will take the trade. Now, if it doesn't come up here, fine, we will not take the trade. It's as simple as that. We've made up our mind. Yes. That's where the money is. So I'm expecting a pullback. Let's see. Pull back. It should pull back. Thank you. Remaining, we expect that pullback. Thank you. That's good. That's good. You understand? So now, the way it is right now, look at this now. This when a price channel, but we have a common point of rejection on this channel. You can see, and we have a gap up. Remember, I told you a gap up is in favor of what? Is in favor of the sellers. Now we are expecting the sellers already to come in. Okay, you want me to enter with the? No, I can't enter again. Let me tell you why I cannot enter. You see, we have gap down. Gap down is in favor of the buyers. You understand? See, anytime you see gaps are they are very powerful. You understand? Anytime you see the gaps and it's a gap down, and you were about going with okay, I'm going to explain that quickly. OTC does not have any special time. Yes, exactly. You're correct. Now, let me explain something to you. You can see now, if we had gone with the sellers, you understand? Okay, fine. Probably would have won by a landslide, but I'm telling you, going with the sellers was not the best option. You understand? Premium TV are very funny. So the thing there is, anytime you have a gap down, it's in favor of the buyers. Gap ups are in favor of the sellers. The reason why I went with the sellers here is because we have a gap up jumping on a round number. You see these round numbers? Don't play with them. You understand? Gaps, don't play with them. Round numbers, don't play. These are the things I teach my students. I break it down for them. I drill it into them one on one. You understand? I hold their hand like this, and I carry them through it because I know it's not easy. You understand? So everybody needs a mentor one way or the other. You get it? So really, these are the things I do for my students. If you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, yeah, click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. You understand? You'll be happy you did. You understand? Some of you have lost over $1,000. You understand? The mentorship is now up to $1,000. So it's going to save of money and a lot of headache trying to figure things out on your own. It's not easy. You understand? I've been there many times. I struggled for 2 years before I found a mentor. Now immediately I found my mentor, everything changed. You get it, just you are lucky now. You didn't even have to find the mentor. You understand? The mentor is the one looking for you right now. Anyways, I'm just happy you guys are here because a lot of people have lost so much money and it's very painful. But at least thank you guys. Yeah, thank you so much you're here. Me, I feel honored to have you guys here and to be your mentor in this trading journey. You get the gist. Just click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. Okay, it's as simple as that. Let me see if we still have some time. Okay, we still have some time. Maybe some few minutes, sure. We can go with the sellers again. Let's go up a little bit. I'll go with the sellers. Why is it frozen? Let's go with the sellers. Oh, why did I take two trades? I actually meant to take one trade. Sorry, I couldn't read that last message. Now this is a breakout. So we may actually lose this trade, but no problem. Let's see. We have a gap up in favor of the sellers. Though I probably should have waited for this round number to take the trade. That would be a safe place. But let's see if we have a gap up in favor of the sellers. So maybe that will save us. Let's see. We should have a pullback. Okay. 6 seconds. Okay, cool. Not bad. Okay, fine. Let me read your message quickly. Oh, this message, dude, a lot of us don't have. Yes, I understand. Hey, Osama Deal official. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Miss Cherry Coco is very funny. Now I understand. Trust me, I really understand. You get it, just I understand. So no problem. I've got you covered. Now, let me address every see, you don't have to have money to actually learn. You get the gist. So there's no excuse. You cannot say because you don't have money, that's why you cannot learn. You understand? What was the logic behind the trade? Oh, good. Thank you for asking that question. I no, some people already know, that's why they're not asking, but let me tell you. Now you see, When this, let me break it down now. The way I would break it down for my students. Let me break it down. I want to break something down quickly. So pay attention, guys. Oh, I'm trying to. I'm trying to take a screenshot, but it doesn't want to take the screenshot. Let me just do it one more time. Okay, cool. All right. Let's break it down now. Now pay attention. You see, we have a price channel. You see these two trend lines. These trend lines up and down. They are the boundaries for the price channel. Now, price came into this like to the edge of the price channel. This one closed here on this round number, and the next one opened at over here. Exactly. Now, the first thing now, just like you said, is because the next candle broke the trend line. That's one good reason, but that's not even the major reason actually. But let me show you. See, you see this space here. Let me mark it. You see this space here. Don't mind my drawing. It's called a gap. You can see that space. It's called a gap. But this time around, it's a gap up. You understand? You see, anytime you see a gap up, it's in the favor of the sellers. The market is trying to tell you that the sellers are most likely to enter. Now, it doesn't mean you are going to have a red candle all the time, but it tells you that the probability of the sellers coming in on that candle is high. Now, I used to say something. I've been saying it for the past few days, and I'll say it one more time. You see, traders don't think in 100% surety like that. Like, we don't think in certainty. We think in probability. Like, we go with the highest probability. So if we realize that, or if we expect that the highest probability for this candle is that the sellers will take over, we will go with the sellers. If the highest probability of this candle is going to go with the buyers, we will follow the buyers. It's as simple as that. Now, you see, in this case, we have a reason for going with sellers before. We're already at the edge of this price channel. We're already at the edge here. This is this is the seller's entry already, and price came close to that area, closed on a round number, and gave us a gap up, which is in favor of the sellers. So everything begins to scream sellers, 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 sellers. So immediately you know that the probability of the sellers is high here. You go with the sellers. But because we are smart, we will not go immediately. We will wait for price to come on this round number. You see this line here. This line here is a round number. We will take a trade here. Above here right now. You will take a trade here. Why? Why are we going to take a trade here? Because you see, these round numbers, they act like support and resistance in the markets. You get the gist. So because they act like support and resistance, we know that this is going to be acting like a resistance for the price. There's every tendency that the price will pull back because of the sellers. We will take our trade above it just to be on a safe level. You understand? We will take that trade, and that trade pulls back and gives us a winning trade. You can see it did not give us the red candle we anticipated, but it still gives us a winning trade. You understand? That is how we take our trades. We combine all these concepts that we've learned. We combine all the reasons that we know. Then we combine it with all the confluences, and we take our trade based on the highest probability. You understand? So the probability of this trade now is about 75%. It means 75% will win, 25% will lose. We will go with the highest probability. Yes. So all the concepts you combine together, the more you combine those concepts, the more the probability of your trades. You get it? Just look at, we've taken too many trades today. You understand? And normally in my book, this is over trading. I wouldn't take this many trades normally. Look, you can see now. We are back to the buyer's entry. We can go with the buyers. Oh, I was about going with buyers. Well, it has left the entry right now. You understand? Immediately it came down here. I was going to go with the buyers. Let's see if we can still do it. If it comes back, sorry, I couldn't read that message. You completely understand. I'm glad you understand. Let's see if it gives us the entry under this round number. We'll take. Okay, we're expecting the buyers to come in. Let's see. The trucking trader. Thank you so much for. What do you use stream like this? It's just the YouTube app. What time frame do you think is best for execution on 1 minute? It's still 1 minute. No, actually, I like 5 minutes more than 1 minute. But the reason why I'm taking using 1 minute is because a lot of people cannot wait, and we have a lot of beginners among us. Oh, this is a winning trade. That's good. That's a very good. Depending on your strategy, yes, it is very. No, all the strategies will work. Like they will work on any time frame. Trust me. I've tested it. I've tested it on M5. I'm testing on M15. I've tested it on M1. I've not tested on M3 and M2 because I don't use those time frame. You understand? But M1, M5, M15. Oh, sorry, I couldn't read the last message. Please, can you resend it? That last message, I'm trying to read it. I couldn't read it. So, anyways, I think we should call it a day for tonight. We've really tried. Uh, we've really tried. Okay, what is the round number? Oh, okay. See you screen recording. What market is this? This is called binary options trading. It's called binary options trading. Now, if you're a beginner, you want to learn more, the link to the platform is in the description below. Please, what is time frame on your channel? I don't know what to mean by time frame on my channel, but this M1, this 1 minute time frame. AEDCNY. Do you use prop firm? No, I don't. Yes, thank you so much, Miss Cherry Coco. So let's call it a day today. You understand? We will be back in about 12 hours. Now, if you are here to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. There's so much value on this channel. So much value. I'm telling you. So this is premium level value right now. Of the kind of value that people will pay for. So 5 minute playlist. You can watch the 5 minute playlist. You can watch the 5 minute playlist. You can watch the live trade sessions. You can watch the tournament session. You can watch the practice sessions. You see, any video you click on the channel is full of very informative um very educational information. Let me put it that way, please. Tell me what the round number is. Okay, I'll tell you what the round number is quickly before I go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Enoch. It's nice to have you here. Now let me show you what a round number is quickly before I go. You see all this. You see all these numbers at the side here. All these random. You see all these numbers at the side. Anyone that ends with 0 or 10 or 20 is called a round number. Yes, you're welcome, Osamadi. I couldn't pronounce that name. Sorry, but thank you so much. I really appreciate. Um, if you are here to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We're about leaving right now, so if you want to join the next live session, what you need to do is subscribe first, then enable your notification for all notifications. You see that notification bell beside the subscribe button. Click on it and put it on all. You understand? So that anytime we are live, YouTube will be able to send you a notification directly. Then you can join in. So you can be one of the early birds. It's easy when we all of us start together like this. You understand? So thank you so much for joining. Please let me click that like button if you have not already. I'm gonna wait for the next 2 minutes. So just click the like button. I want us to get the like button up. That like counts up so that so if you're here to click the like button, let's do it right away. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay, ask me the question in our next session. I'm going to answer you. Okay, Enoch. So ask me that same question in the next session. I'm going to answer you. Okay. Yes. So if you want to send me a message on the Telegram channel, I'll be on the Telegram channel in the next, maybe for the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes, answering your messages, answering your questions. Okay. So thank you so much.